Good afternoon, Ignite. How are you doing? Great, but not that much. Sounded like a chatbot with very poor energy and low latency. Let's try one more time. Ignite, how are you doing? Brilliant. So now let's keep up that energy for the next 45 minutes, because just like that, we are going to change your contact centers. I'm Alpana, and I'm on a mission to change and transform customer engagement. And the incredible panel of speakers I have with me today are Dr. Geng from Lenovo, Karl from TTEC, Diana from Microsoft. Let's all be honest. Contact centers are at the heart of every business, driving millions of customer engagements every day across the globe. Customer reps are the superheroes. Only difference, superheroes get capes, and customer reps, they get a headset, 17 different tabs, and an angry customer. Does that sound familiar? Yeah? Yep, absolutely. The contact centers that we know of from yesterday are collapsing. There are three tectonic forces playing and changing the landscape. Number one, siloed systems and data, which are holding the organizations back. Number two, platform convergence. UCaaS, CCaaS, and CRM, they all need to work together. And most importantly, seismic advances of AI, which is shaking the ground underneath us. Now, when these three forces collide, it's not just disruption, it's a tectonic shift. And in this moment, we have a rare opportunity to reimagine and reinvent the contact center for the next generation. And that's exactly what we are doing at Microsoft with Dynamics 365 Contact Center. Here is how. First and foremost, we bring to you a complete and composable stack that works with your CRM, your business processes, your tools, as much as like the way it works with ours. Bringing you the cost efficiencies, faster time to value, most importantly, happier people on both sides. Second, the platform we are building is purpose-built for the next generation of contact centers, wherein your agents, your co-pilots, and your human agents are going to work together seamlessly. No more transferring fifth time. Yeah? And most importantly, we are infusing AI at every step of the customer's journey, starting from AI-first channels to revamping your self-service with conversational, generative, agentic AI, to revamping your routing engine with intent, sentiment, and an LLM-based routing, to completely making your super teams of service reps with power of AI, turning them into super agents, from transcription to translation, from next best actions to next best answers, from co-pilots assisting them at every step of the way to agents actually performing tasks for them. This is what we are going to do, and this is what will give you the superpowers that you all need to transform your contact centers. And it's not just us. For the 11th consecutive year, Gartner has recognized Microsoft as a leader in the customer engagement center space. Now, all that is great. Let's look at the innovations we are building in three key segments, starting with customer journeys. Imagine that you're getting a call from your phone provider for a trade-in option which can save you $400. That's like a lot of money. Or going way back to your hometown, you get a call from your airline informing you about flight delays. Even more important, imagine you get a text message or a call reminding you of your anniversaries and birthdays based on your previous orders. That can save marriage, yeah? All that you can do with proactive engagement. You can absolutely delight your customers with proactive engagement by providing them personalized interactions at their preferred channel of choice in a very scalable way with AI. Now that we have taken care of your customers, let's talk about your employees. At Microsoft, we provide employee support right with our Dynamics portfolio of products. And now with more and more people, employees, being on 𝗦𝗽𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Copilot as a channel where employees get rich, multimodal, AI-assisted self-service. Not only that, when they need that human touch, they can directly talk to a contact center representative right from within M365 Copilot with full context summary preloaded for your human reps. They don't have to repeat for the 10th time, and they don't have to get frustrated. It's pure, simple, seamless escalation. Wonderful. Let's see it in action.
Meet Chris, a software engineer at Contoso. While charging their laptop, Chris notices the battery indicator light blinking in an unusual pattern. Looking for quick support without leaving work, Chris opens M365 Copilot and starts a chat with 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 to seek help. The internal IT help desk AI agent 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 instantly gathers Chris's laptop model, warranty status, and recent support history, ensuring tailored guidance from the start. Based on Chris's description, 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 suspects a known issue, but needs confirmation before proceeding. 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍, a multimodal CEA, suggests starting a quick video call to analyze the issue. Chris switches to the mobile app where 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 opens a secure video session. Chris records the charging light issue. 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 analyzes the footage in real time and confirms a hardware failure risk. As the issue requires human approval, 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 invites a customer service representative to join the conversation. Customer service representative Alex receives the notification, joins the conversation. Also review a concise summary of the case from 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍. Alex quickly steps in with a decision approved the device replacement for Chris. With approval granted, 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 now guides Chris to select the best replacement laptop from tailored options based on company device policy. 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 also ensures accuracy by validating the shipping address before scheduling delivery. 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗍 helps Chris stay on track by syncing the delivery appointment to Outlook. Chris resolved a critical laptop issue without leaving M365 Copilot. This is the future of workplace IT. Intelligent, seamless, and human when it matters most.
Isn't that cool? Thank you. Next up, AI and agents. By now, you might have heard this umpteen number of times that AI is going to conquer the world. Yeah? Worry not. Ours is super busy helping customers and your reps to think about anything else. Our AI is like your super ninja, helpful, work bestie that you all always needed. Yeah? Just that, it doesn't need a time off or need a coffee break. We have launched 4 agents in GA. All of these are battle-tested within our own contact center and engineered with quality, trust, and ROI at the foundation. Let me repeat. They're all built with trust, quality, and ROI at the foundation, because we all know that these aspects are super important for every business that is running their contact centers on Microsoft stack. Today, we are going to focus on quality evaluation agent. Quality is no more a spot check. With quality evaluation agent, you can assist your supervisors, you can provide coaching to your agents. With QEA, you can evaluate for compliance, for effectiveness, and for empathy, both in real time and as well as when the conversation is closed. Not only that, with a workplace getting transformed with human agents and AI agents, QEA will assist both AI agents as well as human agents. Let's take a look.
Meet Sage, a quality supervisor at 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗶ecie who needs to assess performance, improve quality, and ensure high customer satisfaction across thousands of conversations and cases handled by support reps and now AI agents. Introducing Quality Evaluation Agent. Powered by generative AI, the Quality Evaluation Agent automatically analyzes conversations and cases at scale, evaluating them against quality standards customized for the business, including empathy, clarity, and effectiveness, and assigns a quality score. On the closed items view, Sage reviews evaluations across completed conversations and cases. She dives into a specific case to explore the evaluation summary, suggested next steps, and the quality score. If needed, Sage can adjust the evaluation, triggering QEA to learn and adapt, becoming smarter over time. Similar rich insights and controls are available for conversation evaluations, ensuring consistent quality. QEA analyzes the results to identify trends, anomalies, and areas for improvement. Using the AI Supervisor dashboard, Sage quickly reviews the evaluations performed by QEA. On the active items view, while most conversations are progressing well, QEA flags items needing attention, highlighted with a red quality score at the top. As Sage reviews the insights, a VIP customer calls 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, frustrated after missing 3 shipments. The incoming call is automatically linked to an existing open case. The customer engagement AI agent handling the call focuses on verifying shipment details from the CRM but fails to explain reasons for missing the shipments. As the conversation unfolds, QEA analyzes it in real time, assigns a low-quality score after detecting resolution ineffectiveness, and alerts Sage. Sage is provided a comprehensive summary, including Enrico's journey and conversation evaluation details, allowing her to catch up on the conversation and understand the reason behind the consult request. The supervisor determines the reason for the missing shipments and provides targeted coaching to the CEA agent to handle the current situation. Setup includes customizable industry-standard out-of-the-box criteria and flexible scoring models and configurable plans for bulk processing. Soon, Sage will be able to create new evaluation criteria or upload existing ones using natural language. Supervisors can fine-tune AI prompts and, with built-in extensibility, integrate custom agents through Microsoft Copilot Studio. QEA, quality isn't reactive, it's proactive.
Great. Thank you. All right, next up, core platform capabilities. Now, if you think this is going to be the boring section, not today. Hang tight, because this is going to give you all the superpowers that you much needed. Before that, a short story. In an event like this, someone from the audience reached out and shared with us their current lay of the land in their contact center, the business outcomes that they were planning to achieve. Long story short, what they needed was an integration between Teams phone system and contact center. So if you're watching this session today, either in the room or online, thank you so much. You'll be very happy to know that we bring to you Teams phone system integration with contact center, wherein you can leverage your Teams calling plan, direct routing, and operator connect right within contact center for routing and as well as human engagements. Not that. Remember the ROI part? Yeah? Forrester has already done study, and the numbers speak for themselves. Great. Liking your superpower so far? Very cool. Let me get you one more superpower. How many of you have ever wondered in your contact center setup, why is my average handling time too high, or why did this call go to Bob? Why did this chat go to Sarah? Yeah? Yes? With observability and diagnostics, we bring to you app insights, purpose-built dashboards, and an upcoming health agents. So you no longer have to play the role of Sherlock Holmes. No magnifying glass needed. All that just a click away. Great, yeah? Now there's one more thing, one more superpower. Real-time voice agents, bringing to you this announcement today. We are bringing to you human-like conversations with low latency, supported across multiple different languages, providing translation capabilities, all with the new speech-to-speech models powered by Azure OpenAI, authored right within Microsoft Copilot Studio, and directly running inside Contact Center. On that note, let me invite Garrett for the demo.
Thank you, Alpana. Hi, everyone. I'm excited to show you today a demo of our real-time voice agents. Like Alpana mentioned, our real-time voice agents are powered by Azure OpenAI, and they're integrated directly with Copilot Studio, so you can very easily create AI-augmented conversational experiences. In today's demo, I'm going to walk through a typical support scenario with an agent that is actually hooked up to customer APIs that it's going to reference during the call. As I go through this, notice how I kind of try to throw the agent off by giving it multiple intents or changing its intent midstream. The agent is going to keep up with me, it's going to keep me on track, and it's even going to offer new topics based on what I've said so far in the conversation. This type of context-aware conversational experience is not something that you see with typical live VR bots. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.
Hello, and thank you for calling 𝗬𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Bank. I'm Mia, your virtual assistant for banking needs, powered by generative AI. Tell me I assist you.
Hi, I lost my debit card and I'm traveling to Canada next week.
I'm sorry to hear about your lost debit card. Let's take care of that first. I'll need to verify your identity before we proceed. Could you please provide me with your first and last name?
Sure, my first name is Garrett, last name is Muldoon.
Thanks, Garrett Muldoon. Using your phone number and name, I located your account. Now I'll need your 6-digit account number to continue verification.
Sure, it's 557932.
Got it. Now I need your 4-digit PIN to complete the verification.
Sure, it's 9214. Nobody write that down.
I'm processing your information now. This might take a moment, so thank you for your patience. Perfect. Thank you. You're verified. We'll go ahead and freeze your lost card and issue a replacement. The new debit card will arrive in 5 to 7 business days. If you want it faster, we have expedited shipping options. Overnight for $29 or 2-day for $15. Let me know if you'd like one of those. Then we can set up your travel notice for Canada.
Before I decide on that, I'm a little worried now. Could you tell me what my last 3 transactions were on the card?
Of course. Here are the last 3 transactions. $59.40 at a gas station called Pacific Fuel, $22.10 at Coffee Spot, and $115 for a flight booking fee. Do any of these look suspicious to you?
No, thanks. That's all me. I'm relieved.
Glad to hear that everything looks fine. Now, would you like to choose an expedited delivery option for your replacement card, or should we go with the regular 5 to 7 business days?
Yeah, let's go with an expedited option. Overnight, please.
Understood. We'll ship your replacement card overnight for $29. Now, let's set up your travel notice. Could you share the dates you'll be in Canada?
Yeah, November 28th through December 4th.
Thanks. I've added a travel notice from November 28th through December 4th. Your card should work smoothly during that time. The replacement card will arrive overnight. Is there anything else you need help with today?
Yeah, I have a family member here who doesn't speak English. Pourriez-vous résumer ce que vous avez fait en français?
Très bien, nous allons continuer en français. Tout est en ordre pour votre nouvelle carte et la mise en place de l'avis de voyage. Y a-t-il autre chose que je peux faire pour vous ou pour votre proche?
No, that's perfect. Thank you, Mia. All right, so that's our real-time voice agent. So I do want to let you know this is in preview, so if you'd like to join us on this journey, later on inside of this session, we're going to show a QR code for joining previews. Please scan that and get in touch with us, and we're absolutely happy to get you started with this program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Garrett. All right. So with Teams, you had the superpower to influence product roadmap because we built the product with you. With diagnostics, you had the superpower to play the role of a Sherlock Holmes. And with real-time voice agents, you don't need a PhD. You don't have to be an AI researcher. You don't have to be a data analyst. All this you can build right within Microsoft Copilot Studio. All you need to bring is your business expertise and a little bit of curiosity. All right, all that was great, but that's not it. Please scan this QR code if you would love to learn more about the other capabilities that is lined up in our roadmap. Very cool. So that's a lot of great innovation, but let's talk about business impact. All that you saw today, it's already being adopted by a lot of customers. Thanks to the partnership of our early adopters, they are seeing double-digit KPI improvements across different industries. On that note, let me please invite on stage Dr. Geng to share his story with Lenovo. Dr. Geng.
I thought you don't need a PhD here. Okay. My name is Peng Geng. I'm Director of Digital Transformation at Lenovo. So today I'm so honored to share Lenovo service transformation journey partner with Microsoft Dynamics 365. Lenovo operates one of the world's largest service organizations. We have over 8,000 seats globally. For the past 7 years, I've led initiatives that transform how we deliver service, building up the backbone of Lenovo customer experience. So this journey is not just about technology upgrade. It's also about people, processes, and partnership. So we took 3 steps approach. First, set up the foundation. Second, optimize the processes and workflow. Third, add intelligent features on top of it. So 7 years ago, our service systems were fragmented, creating complexity and inconsistency. We started with a year of preparation to design the processes and build the right business and IT organization. So by year of 2023, we complete the CRM transition. We set up 3 Dynamics instances in Hong Kong, Singapore, and US. So by year of 2025, we complete the omnichannel and enabled Copilot. From there, we build up a solid foundation so we can move to the next chapter. So after the migration, we can start to do the optimization. We couldn't do it earlier because we didn't have the data visibility, so we didn't know where to improve. Dynamics 365 flexibility actually provides us a very good way to customize our solution. The best part is we didn't do it alone. We partnered with the Dynamics 365 product team to reshape the features and roadmap so we can get what we were looking for quicker. So from there, we actually achieved a much lower service cost, faster resolution, and much stronger governance. So with this solid digital foundation, we were ready for the next chapter, AI. I'm going to share 2 most important lessons we learned from the past few years. The first one, start with the use case, but now the technology. Many people came to my team to ask AI feature. They want a RAG, they want a chatbot, they want an agentic solution. But for what? We need to define very clear problem statement. Without that, AI initiative gonna fail. Second, we need to design the unhappy path more carefully than the happy path. Most times, people intend to think about the happy path more. They want AI to solve these tasks, to deliver that thing. But what if AI didn't do it well? We need to design the unhappy path so we can ensure that the user, no matter it's an external customer or internal employee, they can still complete their tasks. So they can start to use our solutions. That's the most important piece. So within Lenovo, we combine Microsoft AI technology with our own in-house innovations to develop AI applications to cover every customer channel. We also have Agent Assist to empower our employees. We believe AI doesn't replace people, it's amplify them, right? So AI can allow us to provide much faster, smarter, and more personalized solution to our customer. So as a result, these numbers are real number. We have a 15% cost down, 40% faster response time, and most importantly, happier customer. We have 10% higher satisfaction. So transformation is not only about technology, it's about people, process, and partnership. With all these four factors together, we can deliver lower risk, faster value, and a responsive path to enterprise AI. Thank you for having me here. I look forward to your questions and ideas.
Thank you, Dr. Geng. All right. So with that context, let's reimagine Lenovo's contact center powered by our Agentic Dynamics 365 contact center.
In this scenario, a fictitious customer, Northbridge, has an IT team responsible for keeping employees productive across devices and software. After a recent firmware update, an employee reports that their laptop restarts repeatedly and never reaches the login screen. Timothy from Northbridge's IT help desk gathers key details and contacts Lenovo support. He's greeted by an IVR that's powered by an autonomous service agent. The agent identifies intent and proactively suggests the next best actions in real time. It continuously learns from every interaction, improving routing accuracy and accelerating resolution. The IVR collects details like device model and issue description and recommends a quick fix. When the issue persists, the system automatically escalates the case to a premier support engineer, transferring all the context so the service rep can pick up seamlessly. Inside the Dynamics 365 customer service workspace, Mary, the premier support engineer, accepts the call. She sees the full transcript of Timothy's IVR conversation and an AI-generated summary. An autonomous service agent has already created the case, populated with all relevant details from the transcript and prior interactions, eliminating manual data entry and letting Mary focus on fast, personalized support. Now, Mary reviews the troubleshooting steps already recommended and receives new intent-based suggestions to help as she diagnoses and resolves the issue. Mary walks Timothy through the process, and the laptop boots normally without any data loss. Grateful for the resolution, Timothy ends the call, and the case is automatically updated and closed in Dynamics 365. Now let's transition to Ava, a contact center supervisor at Lenovo. Ava oversees daily operations, supports engineers, and ensures quality and performance goals are met. She begins her day in the Quality Insights dashboard, working alongside an autonomous quality evaluation agent. Together, they review conversations and cases at scale, both human and agent-led. The agent evaluates each one against Lenovo's unique quality standards, empathy, clarity, and effectiveness, and assigns a score based on organizational criteria. Within the dashboard, Ava reviews evaluations across completed cases and conversations, using AI-driven insights to identify areas for optimization and ensure consistent service excellence. Ava opens Mary's recent case to review the summary, suggested next steps that can be leveraged to proactively coach human service reps or customize and configure AI agents, and quality score. If needed, she can adjust the evaluation, prompting the agent to learn and adapt over time. The agent then analyzes results across cases and conversations to identify trends, anomalies, and opportunities for improvement, enabling Ava to provide proactive coaching and continuously evaluate the organization's overall service quality. With Dynamics 365, Lenovo Premier Support is building a future with Agentic Service, where service teams and autonomous agents work together to deliver faster resolutions, richer insights, and exceptional customer experiences at every step.
That's mind-blowing. Thank you for your partnership, Dr. Geng. All right, so we spoke about product innovations. We heard from Dr. Geng about Lenovo's transformation journey. There's one more key player in the contact center ecosystem. Those are our partners. So how many SI partners do we have in the audience today? If you can raise your hand. Great. So we have more than 70 partners on the service track. Of those, 15 plus partners have been already validated by Microsoft Fast Track team who are ready to assist you in your contact center transformation journey. On that note, let me invite Diana to announce the Partner of the Year awards. Diana?
Thanks, Alpana. Hi, everyone. My name is Diana Cheng. I'm the Dynamics 365 Service Partner Solution Play Lead, focusing on contact center and sitting in ABS Partner Marketing. Each year, our Microsoft partners, looks like a little bit of a glitch there. Right. Each year, our Microsoft partners redefine what's possible for our customers through innovation, collaboration, and trust built with Microsoft Cloud and AI. Partners impact industries globally, enabling our customers and organizations to modernize operations, unlock new opportunities with AI, and deliver sustainable growth at scale. Microsoft Partner of the Year Award celebrates that impact, and with that, we want to recognize our D365 service finalists, Fusion 5, RSM, and EY, and with a quick drum roll, please. We want to congratulate D365 Service Partner of the Year Award winner, TTEC Digital. Let's give a round of applause as we invite Karl, VP in Microsoft Strategy, and GTM lead from TTEC on the stage. Welcome.
Thank you. Awesome. Hey, everybody. It is a massive honor to be given Partner of the Year Award, and it has been something that we have been working hard to deliver results on some of the technology and looking forward to the new technology that you've been able to see here. TTEC Digital knows customer experience and contact center like nobody else. We've been doing this for 30 years. As you can see, we've leaned in with Microsoft as they have become more and more embedded in contact center technology, which means the specializations that go from the end to end of the customer journey are something that we've made sure that we have, so that when we talk to customers, we have the experience and the know-how and the technology to deliver what they're looking for. As you can see, we've got Copilot Jumpstart, we've got Fast Track, we've got all these accelerate programs that allow us to go and really make a difference when customers want to say, hey, I saw that great technology, what's it going to do for us? Okay, and as a partner, we get to go in there and make sure we're going to deliver really good value as fast as possible. Whereas this is not the first time we've won Partner of the Year, as you can see. This is something we regularly do. And when it comes to winning awards, that's great. But what really drives us is seeing the fruit of the work on this technology to deliver customer experiences. If we take a look at this chart, you can see that those companies that take on projects and invest where customer experience is the pivotal part of what they're trying to deliver, they are seeing growth. And which company does not have an end goal of growth? And so as we take on these projects and work with our customers, we put the customer experience right at the top. And as we talked about, it's use cases, not technology. But what Microsoft is doing is they're building incredible technology to help us get there. As you guys seen, there's even more great technology coming. And being 30 years in the contact center, we are more excited than ever to be able to work with Microsoft technology to deliver the next transformation of contact center with AI. Diana, what's up now? Thank you.
Congratulations, Karl. Great job done. All right. With that, we have two people out here with us, Dr. Geng from Lenovo and Karl from TTEC. Let's get into a fireside chat. Please imagine a cozy fireplace because we couldn't get that for you, but we have some wonderful questions. All right, Dr. Geng, first question for you. You have had a tremendous multi-year journey in Lenovo's transformation. What is the one piece of AI myth that you would love to bust for the audience today?
Yeah, I think the customers' expectation has been changed. They have been trained used to the OpenAI-like experience. We cannot pretend that they are still used to the experience we provided a couple of years ago. We have to move on. We have to provide the best solution, the best experience to our customer.
Great, thank you. Karl, at TTEC, I'm sure you have had numerous contact center transformation stories. What is the emerging pattern, and what do you feel differentiates from people who are succeeding with AI versus people who are just tinkering at the edge?
Yeah, absolutely. I think what we're seeing is just an energy for adoption. There has been a period of skepticism, we know that, with AI, but what we're seeing is people see the value and they want to go after it. And in terms of not going around the edges and delivering value, I think it's when people are doing work that generates systems to deliver value, right? And working on the overall strategy, like we talked about earlier, to get them where they want to go.
Very well said. It is the systems thinking that sets apart. Brilliant, thank you. So we are all from contact centers. We love KPIs, AHT, first call resolution, you name it, right? But how do you measure success beyond those metrics? Like, what is that wow moment in Lenovo or in some of the other companies that you're seeing?
Yeah, so we used to measure the service contact center in the traditional way, only like the cost, the satisfaction. But after we start to develop AI tools for our internal employee, we start to manage the happiness, the satisfaction from our employees. So when they told me that they really love the tool we developed for them, that is a wow moment to me.
Absolutely, very well said. If your employees are not satisfied, no way your customers would be satisfied. Karl?
Yeah, I think that we all know that more is more, and I can do more with more. And I think the revelation that we're seeing is people are actually doing more with less and believing it. And I think that that value is not a KPI, but it is an overall energy to go do even more with less.
Absolutely. Do more with more and also do more with less. Good one. Thank you. All right, let's spice it up a little bit. Let's go in for a rapid fire. One-word answers, please, as much as possible. First, what is the one word of advice that you would give to a leader starting their transformation journey after this session?
Now or never.
Thank you. That's a good one.
Listen to everyone who's been before you.
Stick to one word, please, but that's a good one too. Okay. All right. What is the biggest risk if organizations wait too long to modernize?
You will be abandoned by the market. So abandoned.
Be careful, guys. Nobody likes to get abandoned.
Left behind.
Left behind. So unanimous. Wow, that's good. Very cool. All right. One last question. Describe the future of contact center in one word.
It's hard in one word, right? But
you got to try.
In my mind, the service contact center always be the brain for the service organization, but they think too much, right? But with the AI empowered, I think the service contact center can transform from brain to an action hub. So the word is action hub.
Ooh, I like that. Action hub. Karl?
Limitless. One word.
Please join me in giving them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Dr. Nguyen. It was lovely having you here. Thank you, Karl. Congratulations once again. All right. I'm sure with this, you all must be going back and wanting to go convince your business, convince your customers to join us in this transformation journey. And you all would need the help that we can provide you. So we have both partners and customers in the audience today. Let me invite Diana back on stage to help you with the resources that will set you up for success. Diana?
Thanks, Alpana. So again, last, we want to touch on the service transformation with AI partner opportunity and go-to-market resources. Earlier, you all heard about the market convergence between CRM, CCaaS, and UCaaS into a one connected ecosystem, and a strong year of growth for D365 Contact Center, leading the shift to agentic service. Now, let's talk about what that means for our Microsoft partners. In the 2025 TEI study, the Dynamics 365 customer service and contact center delivered a 315% ROI with a 6-month payback period, helping our partners drive faster deal cycles, reduce customer support costs, as well as unlock AI-powered service transformation. With built-in Copilot and agentic capabilities, partners can offer clients measurable productivity gains, improved CSAT, as well as a modern, scalable alternative to legacy platforms. To accelerate your business and agentic capabilities, here is a consolidated view of our partner skilling and enablement opportunities. I know it's a bit of an eye chart, so feel free to take all the photos that you need. Wanted to do a couple of call-outs here. All of the available training that we have past delivered is available on demand to watch maybe over the holidays. We have a couple of H2 events coming up as well, but wanted to focus you on the tech deal and project ready workshops and boot camps coming up this December. The last piece here, wanted to focus on the white box there. We do have a couple of opportunities here to prepare to become a AI-led solution architect with the AB100 exam tied to a certification, as well as bookmarking the second CCaaS course that our friend April Delsing and our COE architect team has been working on tirelessly on, and will be available in the next couple of weeks, just in time for the holidays. Our service transformation play is about delivering world-class outcomes with AI-driven applications, and our partners are critical. Our goal is to enable you with the right tools, workshops, and fast-track engineering support to drive the transformation across the Microsoft customer engagement methodology stages. Before I double-click into a couple of areas, I want to quickly share the library of partner resources that we have available on our Transform hubs for both customer service as well as contact center as you build, grow, and accelerate your partner journey with Microsoft. Across both areas, start first by joining the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program and work towards attaining a Solutions Partner designation for business applications, then work towards earning the service specialization, especially as we are working to get CCaaS added as an eligible workload in the near future. Hot off the press, as of yesterday, we've launched the new FY26 Service Transformation with AI campaign in a box. This is a marketing campaign that provides everything our partners and customers need for marketing success, designed to increase demand gen for the service solution play. These 14 customizable assets include infographics, OFTs, pitch decks, social campaigns, and more that is customizable to include your own value prop to build brand awareness as well as customer trust. The first English version is available now, but we will have 11 additional languages available this January. Now, what everyone wants to hear about and talk about is the money slide. This is talking about the Contact Center Accelerate, which is a program that empowers both of our Microsoft sellers as well as our partners to accelerate contact center deals, reduce complexity, and deliver AI-powered customer experiences. As we have said again and again, our partners play a key role in implementation and adoption, and these programs provide you the resources to help you succeed. Benefits do vary by deal size, but can include consultation with our corporate SMEs, business value support, and dedicated pre-sales fast-track support for larger deals. Partners that are already connected to our field sellers can reach out to ask their opportunities to be nominated through Deal Boost. And for partners in the audience or online that haven't connected to our sellers yet, feel free to reach out to us at the email on the slide. With all of that, and though there was a lot of resources, but just wanted to wrap with a couple of CTAs for our partners to get ready, create demand, as well as grow your business. Feel free, again, to take a picture of the slide and action on these AKAs. As you're working through the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program, we do have an opportunity for our partners to purchase benefits packages that offer special pricing on licenses, free Azure credits, as well as pre-sales and tech support. Check out additional details at the QR code. Now, you've heard all of our superpowers, study materials. I hope that you're ready to take that forward to transform your contact centers. Visit us in the Experience Hub if you have any questions. We'll be there to answer your questions. Scan the QR code to request to join our contact center preview capabilities and private preview, available to both partners and customers, as well as scan that QR code to download this deck. Thank you so much to all of our incredible speakers. We had Alpana and Garrett from the contact center engineering teams. We had Dr. Peng or Dr. Geng from Lenovo, Karl from TTEC, and wanted to thank you all in the room as well, in person and online, for joining us today, as well as our internal teams for making this happen. I know it was a big journey, but bringing us all here, but especially to you all for making this my first Ignite and memorable one. Thank you all so much, and have a great travel.